Good evening, everyone. I'm Jessican, the so-called ex-intern of Lexus and Company. So, as far as a month has been gone, I think that personally, and I believe that Lexus and Company has been an integral part of my heart. And why I say this? Because within few days, the team members, the coach, and the company itself has created a deep impact on me. I think that I will miss the daily routine videos, the daily, writing the articles daily about legal topics. So I believe that this exposure is needed for every intern, as this is a very integral part of our life, especially for law students. So to first talking about the good experiences which I had, the 3 points which I would like to say is first and foremost that Sir Dr. Anupam has given an exposure to us to come, you know, come beyond our, the uh, what we are hiding from. Actually, we are hiding from the exposure of camera, and that is a fact. Not just us, not just me, but millions and millions of people. The fear of speaking out, especially public speaking, is a very important part, which more than I guess more than uh, a lot of people like to disengage from. So I think to have a good exposure on in front of camera is the need of the hour. So this was my first good thing which I like about the internship. The second good thing which I like about the internship was that every coach, Dr. Anupam and ma'am too, they have really helped me. I raised questions and they were so frequently answering that it was like they are sitting beside me. They're not actually, the advocates who don't even, reply, they don't even talk nicely. They have totally, grasp our inner feelings, what we meant to say, what we mean to do. They have shown a dedication towards every intern, not just me, but every intern, I think. Third part which I really liked about the internship was that creating videos and uploading it on YouTube, it really gives us an insightful experience, that what exactly you know uh, in limelight, what exactly means to be in limelight. Or uploading videos on YouTube was sort of a limelight for me, as I have never created a channel or page. And getting that exposure on YouTube, and I was making my family watch, my peers watch, and they were also happy to see that this is the kind of support and exposure that this internship has given me. So it is really nice to see that. The weakness part, if I say, no, I don't think there was any sort of weakness. It was, and I personally also don't believe in weakness portion. I believe that weaknesses are just opportunities, and I create those weakness into opportunities. I don't think there were any kind of weaknesses in this internship. But yes, what I would recommend to Anupam sir would be that you know this this page has lots and lots of videos. So why not just give the kind of a highlight to other applications also. And I've contributed that to Anupam sir too, that we must upload uh, videos on Instagram. I'm not saying that too long videos, but a glimpse of the video would be fine. So to create videos on network sites like Instagram would be very fine. Twitter also is nowadays very uh, I would say in limelight. It would also create a good exposure for Lexus and Company. And another thing which I would like to say would be that also to upload it on LinkedIn profile. LinkedIn is also very, frequently used by every professional, not just in the field of law but also in the field of management, law, science. So I think that updating frequently on these sites would be a very big thing for us, a kind of achievement for future interns, for even us. So now I'm speaking right now, but I feel that still I'm, tomorrow I will upload a video again, and I will, you know see those videos on YouTube. I will upload an article on the website. It feels so, like a daily routine work. And sir has given a perfect, work to us, since we have been neglecting this attitude of, not coming into camera. Even in our classes, on online sessions, we frequently, answer on audios only. We don't uh, you know switch on the camera. So sir, what has given us, it is, really beyond limits. I thank you, sir. I bow down to you, and greetings to everyone. Thank you so much for making me into this exceptional intern in this whole internship period. I really look forward to again, be a part of this internship. Thank you so much, sir.